Hey guys, welcome back to another testing video. So Sliding Dozens has been a fan favorite. It's recently one of my favorites that I've been winning consistently with the casino like the past couple weeks. I really like it. I did fine tune it to be really safe and bankroll protection being the priority. Okay, so if you do want to see that, I have the original down in the description below, and I also did a testing and refinement on the new channel, and I implemented it in the software and I ran it against some real spin data. And amazing results. So I will have a link to those down below as well. I came up with a different variation that I think is going to play out very, very good today. I just wanted to juice it up because it had large coverage, and I was like, okay, man, maybe I could just do some overlapping jackpot numbers. But I did try it with the corners. I'm not sure if you guys seen that video. It just didn't pan out as well as I anticipated it to pan out. So I'm going to do a modification to the corners, and the corners is not going to be its own system. It's going to run parallel with this strategy. So let's just jump into it and I'll explain as we go. Looking at the board, 35, 36, 31, 17, the two hot dozens. All right, that's what I'm following. Base unit size on the dozens is going to be 10 bucks, and we're going to go ahead and throw in some overlapping corner bets. We're only throwing in 4. Okay, so even if you miss those, you're still going to make some money, and I'll explain to you what we're going to do on losses. All right, this is spin number 1. And 30 is a hit. Beautiful. Up 15 bucks. So we're going to simply hold our bet here and spin again. And we get a 31 black. Beautiful. That's another hit. $15 coming back. We'll take it. Repeat the bet. Spin again. All right, so you see we got a hit right there, or a miss right there on 11 black. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 corners. We're going to shift our bets over there, banking that it's going to repeat. We're not increasing at this point. So that dozen stays at a $10 bet, okay? And the corners stay at a dollar each. And we spin again. Let's see if we could get a repeater within the dozen. And we did. 3 red comes in, and okay, well, that wasn't an overlap jackpot, but we're at $24. Our high was at 30. Okay, so here's another thing that I changed. Instead of staying right here, I'm going to shift these bets because we are following the 2 hot dozen. So I'm going to go here, and we're still at a $10 bet. Last dozen hit was that third dozen, and we're going to go ahead and cover some corners. Any corners you want. All right, back to base we are. Spin number 5. And of course, uncovered 15 black shows up. So again, keeping that bet the same at this point. Furthest we've been in the progression so far. 10 bucks goes right here. Let's see if we get a back-to-back hit right here. Again, our session high was at 30 bucks. And we got a 24 black. That's a nice hit. $27 coming back to us on a $12 bet. All right, so this is near session profit. But again, we got the hit right there, so we are going to go ahead and go back to our base level bet, covering the last 2 dozens to hit. All right, and then pepper in the nice corner overlap to try to squeeze a little bit more profit out of this. I really do like this strategy, guys. I've been using it, and it's fun. More wins than losses. I love it. All right, 12 red comes up. 12 red is $15 coming back. We are in a new session high of 42 bucks, just like that. And another miss. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cover those 2 corners within that dozen that missed. And again, unit size does not increase at this point. This is the highest we've been so far in the progression. We get a loss right here. I'll explain to what we're going to do next. Man, I can't talk. All right, so we got a miss. So now we're going to still follow suit. Last 2 to hit was first and third dozen. Now we go up 1 unit there, and the corners go up 1 unit apiece. All right, see what we get here. Again, our high was 42, and we get a 34 red. 34 red is a hit, but it's not an overlap. That's okay. Let's repeat the bet. Spin again. That's what we're looking at. Overlap hit, $48. We're back up to a new session high. What that means is keep it safe and go back to base. So repeat the bet, and we are going to, oh, I should have just laid out the bet. Okay, $10 and cover those corners. All right, back to base we are. This is spin number 10, and we are up $48. And the uncovered hit again, so let's go ahead and shift our bets or slide our bets, whatever you want to call it. There's another loss, so again, we're going to follow the last two to hit, which is going to be first and second dozen, going up by 1 unit each bet position. All right, let's see what we get here. Have not gone negative in our bankroll yet, so, and just jinxed it because we got a full whack right there. We are down. Minus 36 is the lowest we've been so far. We're going to keep track of that. We're going to repeat the bet, and we are going to level up another unit. All right, let's see what we get here. Come on. Come on, win. And of course, 28 black, uncovered. So now we're going to keep the bet at 30, and that means 3 each corner. Let's see if we can get a repeat, because when your bet's down to 1 dozen, payouts a lot higher. 26 black comes in. 26 black is a beautiful $81 hit. Didn't have enough juice to come all the way back. Let me see, 27, 81. I didn't keep track of the low, but it's okay. So we got the hit right there. We were at, what's that, 36. Let's peel this off. So we're going to hold it at, or no, we're going to increase to 40. And then last dozen hit was the first dozen, 40 there. And then now we're up to a $4 bet on the corners. And 34 red comes in. 34 red is a hit, but not an overlap. So we're going to repeat, spin again. And 1 red. I think that's a good one. $60 coming back to us. 57 is new session profit. We are going back to our base level bet. And still following suit. So we're going 10 here, 10 here. $1 on any corners you wish. And spin again. And we get a 31 black. That's a nice overlap right there. So we're going to repeat the bet, spin again. 72 is new session high. And is that covered? No, but it's still a $6 return. We're going to take it. Repeat, spin again. We're up $78. This is spin number 20. And another empty. There's another miss right there. So we're going to go ahead and cover 2 corners, $1 a piece. And we go $10 on that dozen. Let's get a hit right here and reset. $14 red. Is that enough juice to reset? I think it is. New session profit of $81 just like that. So you can see when you hit right there, right after that first loss, if it's an overlap, you're going to reset. All right. So now we're going to go back to our base level bet, which is going to be first, second dozen, and throw in those corner bets. All right, up $81. And again, keeps chopping on us. All right, it's okay. Let's go ahead and slide the bets over, place them correctly, and spin again. Again, 1 hit right here with the overlap is going to reset the progression. But we did not get it. So now we're going to increase by 2 units. Or up 1 unit. And then we're going to cover the last 2 hit dozens with the overlap. Very easy to follow. black comes 8. Black is a $30 return. We're up $75. That is near session profit. It would probably be smart to level back, but I'm going to hold it here. See if we could get one more. Man, you got 24 numbers covered. You should hit that. And of course, the uncovered shows up again. All right. So again, we're keeping the bet the same. 20 bucks right there. $24 total bet. Let's get a hit right here. And we did. 17 black comes in. 17 black is $50 coming back to us. And we are back into a session profit. All right. So let's cover last to the hit. We're back to our base level bet. And we should accumulate quite a bit of wins at this base level. I don't know. It's really chopping on us today. So, but again, that's why you want to test before you invest, right? We're up 96. This is where you want to grab your wins. Early on, you got big, nice coverage. You're not going up in the progression. 96 is new session high. 23 is another overlapping jackpot number. We're going to go ahead and repeat and spin again. $111. We're up into new session profit. And we get a 4 black. I think that's also a good one. Sure is. $15 coming back. We're going to collect that, rebet, and spin again. Oh, the uncovered showed up again. All right, we're going to slide our bets over. Again, we're not increasing when we slide our bet to that single dozen. Therefore, reducing that, keeping that risk kind of low, right? All right, so we lost right there. So we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to 2 on each corner bet. All right. This is spin number 30. We were up $111, and that's a total loss. So again, just increase 1 unit. And 31 black, I believe that's a good one. It sure is. $45 coming back. We're back up 87. Again, our high was 111. One more hit right here. We should be able to reset or near it. And 32 red comes in. 32 red is a hit. $45 coming back to us. New session profit 132. I'll take it. Back to base we go. And again, following suit, last 2 dozens a hit is third and second. Lay out your corners. Just add in that juice. And let's see what we get here. That's only $6 because I was not an overlapped corner. That's okay. We'll collect and rebet. So you still get hits. Just not as good as the corners overlap. 25 red. I think that's overlap. It's not. Back-to-back unoverlapped. It's okay. We're still going up into a new session profit at $144. And we finally got an overlap. 36. No, I spoke too soon. It's okay. Still made some profit there. 150's new session high. Spin 35. 31 black comes in and finally got one. There we go. $15 coming back. Repeat. Spin again. We're at 165. Oh, the uncovered showed up again. It's okay. We're going to go ahead and slide the bets over, keeping the bet the same at this point. 141 is where we're at right now. We're shooting for 165 and 4 black comes in. That's an $18 return. Let's see where that put us. We're at 159. 159. Okay. So we're going to keep our base units the same, covering the last 2 to hit. And we're going to cover those corners. All right, let's see what we get here. We're at 159. Another uncovered. This is chopping on us again. Okay, so we are going to go 10 bucks here. And 2 corner bets. See what we get here. We're down 135. Our session high was 165. And another miss. So we're going to have to increase the bet. We're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 2 here, 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 and here. All right, $12 coming back. Hold the bet right here. This is spin number 40. We're at 135. And another uncovered number comes in. So we were at a $48 total bet, so that's 20. So we're going to keep it at the same level. And let's see if we could get a hit right here. And 25 comes in, and I think that's a good number. $54 coming back. We're at 141. And we were at what? 20. So we're going to go 20, and then second dozen, 20. And covering the corners. All right, let's get some wins. We haven't got a lot of wins at base level bet. I don't, with 2 dozens covered, you should be getting a lot more wins. $30 coming back. Beautiful. We're at 171. Repeat the bet. Spin again. Oh, I should have reset there. I didn't even realize that's new session high. And okay, well, happy mistakes. Like Bob Ross says, happy mistakes. All right, so back to base we go. We're going to repeat the bet. We're just going to peel off. Let's place our bets again. And $10 on the last 2 to hit. All right, we're almost done wrapping up this video. We're going to do 45 spins today. 183 is high. And we got another $15 right there. Repeat, spin again. 198 high. All right, we got one more spin to go. So let's repeat, spin again. 213s high. And let's see if we end on a win. We did not. It's okay. $213 is session high for this one, okay? We ended up losing that last bet, so we ended up at 189. Keep track of that. And we did dip down. Let me see how much we dipped down. We got 108. That's what I have right here. So it did go minus $108. We ended at 189. We did go up and peaked at 213. I thought this was solid coverage. Still keeping that risk down a little bit with this one. That's the goal. That's why I didn't really want to increase until I went back to 2 dozens covered. Does that make sense? The original version, you would increase and then you would slide it over to that 1 uncovered dozen and then continue to increase. I thought that was like a little too for that type of coverage, because you are going back and forth between high coverage and then low coverage, high coverage and then low coverage. So the idea behind this is just keep that bet amount the same wherever it's at and then slide it over to that empty dozen that just hit and then go from there. And then if you're not a session profit, then you slide back to win or lose on that dozen. You're going to shift back, and depending if you're a session profit or not is going to dictate how you are going to go up in the progression, okay? Let me know what you guys think about this. I thought this was a solid strategy. I thought I was going to make a lot more money than it actually did. Still panned out well. Didn't go too crazy low in the bankroll, but we did end up with over $200 in profit. I do like it. Let me know. I was thinking about using splits, using double streets as well. Give it a little extra boost. Then you have more coverage. I don't know. It's all fun and games. That's why we test it out. We want to test it before we use real money, just to get comfortable and know that it's going to make money for you. That being said, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Until next time, guys, be cool, stay cool. Peace.